Now let's look at AOD CAT analysis. Now first of all, we are looking at daily chart now. Okay, so in daily chart, what we can see is that price closed below support and has bounced from next support level, and it may move higher towards retest of previous support, which now should act as resistance. What we can also see is it is below Bollinger Band, middle band, and band is pointing lower. Okay, so we expect this middle band again to offer resistance. So overall, as per daily chart, the price is in downtrend. Now let's move at lower time frame to see if we can find some trading opportunities. Now let first of all, let's see in 4 hour if we find something. Now in 4 hour chart, what we can see is the price is below 20 and 50 moving average, and currently it's trying to move higher. Okay, so but from daily chart we know that if price moves higher we might find resistance. Also same thing we can see in 4 hour chart. If price moves higher, we can see both 20 and 50 moving average can offer resistance to the price. And again, here we have trendline resistance also, which is in confluence with 50 moving average. So in 4 hour chart we can expect that if price moves higher near 50 moving average, we can have a possibility that price will turn down again. So in 4 hour chart, our trading strategy can be waiting for price to rise, and when price reaches near 50 moving average we will sell again. Now let's move at 1 hour chart. What we can see here, this is a one hour chart. In 1 hour chart, price is moving in ascending channel pattern. Potentially, we had fake breakout of channel also. So what we can expect is, since price did move lower to retest the bottom of channel and had a fake breakout, the price can continue higher towards top of channel. Anyways, even if not toward up to top of channel, then at least it may move higher to retest uh, previous highs. Okay. Next thing, what we can see is the price moved higher, face resistance from 50 moving average here, and like this, moved lower, and then it's trying to move higher on second impulse. And here, when price came back after testing 50 moving average, it found support at the previous resistance which it broke above. So that means still price is remaining above uh, the support. We can expect the price can continue higher. Now, as you know, our trading strategy is based on moving averages, and we trade automatically breakout and retest of moving average. What we will be looking here in 1 hour chart is, if price closes above 50 moving average, then we are going to buy towards the previous horizontal highs or resistance, what we can say. And if and in 1 hour chart we are not going to sell until price is not making a new lows, or it is not closing below previous support zone of daily chart. So in 4 hour chart we are going to wait. Here we are in 4 hour chart, we are going to wait price to rise towards 0.9425 and then sell on the retest of 50 moving average. Whereas in 1 hour chart we have a short term possibility of buying on break above 50 moving average, and take profit at 0.9380. Always remember, 1 hour is a short term setup, so it is suitable for few pips only. Whereas if you are going to if you are going to trade in 4 hour chart here, then of course you can see there is a huge possibility of pips to be made. Like if you are going to sell on 94360, you can short towards 93. At least we have 120 pips of trade possible in 4 hour chart, whereas in 1 hour chart we have possibility of only like 20 20 to 30 pips trade. So trade accordingly. Let us know what you think about this analysis, and if it was helpful. For anything, for any questions, any comments, please type on comment box and we will be replying you. Thank you.